And there's another thing we can do here. So we can add sounds to this to make it like very realistic. So for that, we should use something called extensions. So that means it's more like I'm importing a new library, extensions with S, extensions called sound. And but if you use extensions, this will not work in NetLogo Web, because I'm using NetLogo Windows or desktop version. So if you plan to use this on NetLogo Web and try to export it and import it in a NetLogo Web environment, extensions, some of the extensions are not supported in NetLogo Web, so this will not work. But now, since this is a game and since we are using the desktop environment, so we can use this extension. And I'm going to use some of the sounds here. So here, whenever we shoot, so we should have a shooting sound. So I'm going to play a note whenever we shoot. So let's find out the place where it hatch enemy bullets. So here it's hatching enemy bullets, and at the same time I'm going to say, okay, sound, play note called gunshot. So in NetLogo manual, you can search for NetLogo space sounds on Google, and it will give you list of sounds that you can use. This is more similar to MIDI programming in musical keyboards or organs, as we commonly call it. So here we can define a sound called gunshot, and also we can specify a note here. So other things are related with duration, etc. But right now I'm interested in only the type of the tone we are going to use. It's a gunshot tone, and 65 is a key in the middle of the keyboard. So it will be some kind of a middle tone which is not too low or too high. So I added this to the enemy bullets, and I'm going to add the same thing to the player bullets. So let's find out the place we shoot player bullets. So that's this mouse button related code. So whenever mouse is down, we ask players to hatch bullets. At the same time, we can play this bullet sound. Let's try this now. I'm going to the interface, setting up it. So here now we can hear the gun sounds. And we are going to further improve this code by using a sound whenever there's an explosion. So that means in this explode procedure also we are going to play a sound, but I would like to play a low note because it's like an explosion. So it's not. It should be a lower sound. Like low means low pitch sound compared to the high pitch bullet sounds. So I'm going to use 0, and whenever there's an explosion, it will play this gunshot sound. Now let's try it again.